Good morning. My name is Todd Bodeslaw. I'm a software developer, and project manager with ProPlanner. Today I'm going to demonstrate some of the capabilities of our software suite called Assembly Planner. I'm going to be focusing in on our 3D capabilities, but just a quick overview. Assembly Planner helps us with our processing the authoring of our shop floor processes and activities that need to take place. Three of the major components I want to point out are the routing section, the operations section, and the activity section. The routing, think of it as an assembly line, okay? And then each assembly line can have workstations or operations, as you see listed here. We can move down the software by double-clicking on an operation, and inside of the operation we see the activities or the tasks that need to take place at that particular workstation. That's an important concept to keep in mind as we go through the demonstration today. So now shifting over to 3D, I'll first demonstrate how we can import a 3D model. We do that by coming into our CAD library. This CAD library will look through a catalog of all 3D files that have been converted. Now, conversion takes place to take your native CAD file formats and convert them over to a lightweight format that is easily used and a little more efficient to be used inside of Assembly Planner. So consider it like a lightweight model converted from your native CAD. You can certainly search all of your 3D converted files. You can search by file name, import date, or recently imported files. And they give a little range of time frames from 7 days, a couple weeks to a month. So to upload a CAD model, simply click the upload button. You can navigate to where you have your 3D model in native CAD format stored or downloaded. Here I have a JT file. But I just want to note, I'll pause here for just a second. We can handle a wide array of different 3D native CAD formats. This dialog just indicated that the file was uploaded successfully and the conversion took place in a service running in the background. Once it's complete, you can see that it lists the converted file and it will fetch all other converted files based upon the filter that you have specified up top. Now, extra note about uploading these CAD files, we handle JT, Creo Parametric, CATIA V5, STEP, and a whole host of other SolidWorks, of course, is included in that. So as we can see, we have a 3D native CAD file converted. We're at version 1. I want to point that out because I want to show you a few other things that take place while the conversion is going on. So I'm going to upload this again, and we're going to version it. So let's say we had a engineering change come through, and we want to provide that CAD model to the engineers using Assembly Planner. So we're going to version this, and we'll upload a hypothetical new model. Now in this case, I'm going to pick the same one, of course. It's been uploaded. Notice our job is running, and we could also monitor the job queue this way. So notice that this is now changed to version 2, saying that this native CAD file has been converted, is available in lightweight format at version 2, and will give other specifications along with it. I want to point out that even though I demonstrated a manual process for converting native CAD files, we do work with a number of clients to automate this process and have it running as a service to be picked up by many of the popular PDM systems, Team Center, Windchill, and such like that. So it can be even more of an invisible process running in the background as a service, just as this is now in the manual process. But it helps with the ease and the more hands-off type of activities if that's what you needed to do. We have clients that also use both. We have clients that where we pick up um, a native CAD file export automatically behind the scenes and convert it, but they also may have a need to convert a file manually. So we offer both.